It's the groove that moves, the beat that breathes, and the dance that doesn't ask for attention but demands it.
And I am living hip hop.
बस ये डांस ही मेरे लिए सब कुछ है, इसी के पीछे लगा रहूंगा।
डांस करते हैं हम सिर्फ खुशी के लिए।
Some may call it merely a dance form. For others, it might be a display of flashiness. But for these dancers, hip hop is a way of life.
The vibe is real, but the moves are totally unreal.
In classical, we usually do what our guru teaches and we take that forward. And in hip hop, we can create our identity and take hip hop forward.
While hip hop emerged in the 70s in New York City as a mark of rebellion, its growth in India has been more recent.
मैं अपने आप को हिप हॉप का स्टूडेंट मानता हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरा कल्चर नहीं है, ये कल्चर अमेरिका से आ रहा है। मैं इस कल्चर के लिए बहुत आकर्षित हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को पता है इसकी जो वैल्यूज़ हैं वो कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। किसी भी चीज़ को चेंज करने का दम है इस चीज़ में।
When it comes to Desi hip hop, one city seems to be driving the beat more than any other: New Delhi. Over the years, the city's hip hop scene has become known for its underground battle culture and lyrical prowess.
अंडरग्राउंड मतलब क्या है कि ओरिजिनल स्टाइल।
Basically, people who didn't got sold out, sell out, were called underground. Okay, they didn't go to the commercial side of it.
अंडरग्राउंड उतना फेमस नहीं क्योंकि हमारे मम्मी पापा नहीं देख रहे। हमारे मम्मी पापा क्या देख रहे टीवी पे कमर्शियल।
Held across various locations in Delhi, these underground battle events have helped spread awareness about the main elements of the culture: MCing or rapping, DJing or turntablism, graffiti art, breakdancing, and other street dance forms. These underground battle events invite hip hop dancers from all walks of life. They meet, they compete, but there's something that sets them apart from the rest. It's their unshakable sense of belonging within the community. Apart from the distinct street style and powerful beats, it's the stage names that fuel their confidence to keep going.
ऐसा ही मेरा नाम फुल है सिदक, तो उसका ऐसा ही और डक। डक पानी हवा जमीन कहीं पे भी रह सकते, कहीं पे भी चल उड़ तैर सकती है।
मेरा नॉर्मल सा नेम है अखिलेश, उसका मैंने आधा किया अक्की। उसके साथ फिर मैं बचपन से जीतता ही आया हूँ कुछ गेमों में। तो मेरे को 10th में मेरे साथ एक दोस्त था, उसने विन दिया मेरे को नाम।
तो जितना अटपटा नाम होता है उसको उतना बनाने में मजा आता है।
Jessica Chadda, Sachin Pal aka Sharp Edge, and Vijay Rawat are one of such dancers who are helping put Delhi on the world map with their Give It Back troupe. When asked how they sustain themselves through dance, they said,
मॉनिटरी तुम उससे नहीं कमा सकते कि तुम बैटल में गए और जीत कर कोई भी घर नहीं चलाता आपने, क्योंकि एक जना जीतता है इतनी सारी बैटल के अंदर। उसके बाद हम टीचिंग करते हैं, सिखाते हैं, टूर्स करते हैं, वर्कशॉप्स करते हैं।
Also, there are some people who find related profession to hip hop. For example, he's a streetwear artist. So like that, people connect to their art forms from other profiles.
the challenge? Lack of funds, sponsorships, and support from the government.
College events didn't used to have battles, so now they are getting influenced from our scene and battles are happening there. Reality shows didn't used to have battles. I think instead of increasing the number of people, they can support the underground scene by sponsoring us.
But despite the hiccups, there is still hope among the community who continue to spread the message of peace, love, unity, and the importance of having fun, the values that have become a universal motto for hip hop dancers across the globe.
We can represent ourselves and India in international battles because they are more bigger than what India has. Their level and everything is more bigger, the judges lineup and everything. We can instead use the platform and we can still battle it out only and not go to a commercial show, but we can represent it outside the country.